There are some really exciting enhancements in SolidWorks Flow Simulation in 2013 for reviewing model performance and visualizing what is taking place. Several of these will become available in Beta 2, but let's look at one really neat addition to the display options in Beta 1. Understanding how the air flows around complex geometry is important for many customers. To aid in visualizing this, the developers have added a new tool for section and surface plots. Streamlines can now be shown as evenly spaced contours. What's really amazing is that these plots are rendered on your graphics card real time and update the level of detail based on your zoom level. This is a great aid in looking at local flow areas of interest in great detail, but not having it affect the performance or overall view of the results. And the results even update as you drag or animate the plots. The second streamline option is Line Integral Convolution, or LIC. Put simply, it uses local streamlines to interpolate a vector field, and then renders those with an applied texture. Or in layman's terms, it's a shaded streamline tool for visualization. You can see that the shaded flow stream display really aids in not only seeing the specific results values, but also the path of the air over the surface. These are just a couple of the great enhancements in SolidWorks 2013 Flow Simulation to help you in gaining greater insight into the performance of your design.